Gonna trace some wires back, see if we can find a short anywhere, or maybe see if some mice have gotten in there and caused some mischief over the winter. Who knows what we'll find. Hey everybody, Sam with Cripple Creek Farms here on a beautiful day in Sharpsburg, Kentucky. Today we're working on the 459 Silage Special baler, and the last two bales that came out of the back of here, the net wrap did not get cut. So we are going to be looking at the actuator of the net wrap knife. Now this guy right here is what we're looking at. It will push this cylinder out and make the knife cut the net wrap. So what we're going to do first, we're going to unplug it. It's a simple 12 volt electrical connection. So I'm going to hook it up and we're going to see if the actuator itself, when it's hardwired, will still work. Because if it's working, then we know we've got a problem with a signal from the baler monitor or a short in one of the wires on the way to the actuator. Well, I've got my positive and negative here, and it doesn't matter how you hook it up, either way it goes. You can flip the polarity and it's either going in or going out. Slide that into there. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Okay. So the actuator's working that way. Let's flip it back, bring it back in. All right. Well, the good news is we don't have to buy an $800 actuator. All right. Now we're going to hook everything up to the baler monitor and see if we can get it to manually extend and retract and see why we were having trouble to begin with. Alright, hold the counter button in, press it on. Go to channel 18. You're going to hit extend and retract. We're going to see now keep in mind the wires going to the actuator, green and orange. The big orange looks okay. There's some bare wires right there. What's that go to? Now I've found something. Not what I'm looking for, but as you can see, these wires have lost their coating. Green and yellow. That can't be good. Probably what could be. Something's definitely shorting out because of that. Alright, let's see if we can get in here and get at it. Well, it turns out we just had a short in our actuator ground wire. Had to find out where it was and eliminate it. We've done that. Everything's working great. Hopefully off to a good start to our 2023 first cut out here at Cripple Creek Farms. Thanks for watching.